Hi, this is Muriel from Costa Rica. Today I'm going to make a super healthy cake and I'm going to share how I'm making it. Welcome in my kitchen. Let's get started. These are basically the ingredients. Let me show you. Bananas, raisins. I'm going to add coconut water, coconut flesh, dates, some almonds flour, some normal flour. I am using this, which is actually, where is it? This. I'm also using the oven and some cake thingies. I just cut this papaya. Let me show you, from our papaya tree, which is right outside of my kitchen. So yeah, I picked it. It fell on the ground because it's kind of high, and now I'm gonna use it. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna grab the 3 bananas. Vegetarian, super healthy cake mixture. I'm just gonna grab a handful of dates. What I will be adding, I put some flour ready. My coconut, I have to open this because when you're going to blend this, it's not gonna work. I have to make it more soft. Open up. This takes some practice, but this is an easy way of opening up the pipa, also called coconut. I'm going to add it. Hop. And I'm also going to crush the coconut and get the flesh out, which works actually like this. Solid underground. And just, I throw it. Yeah, Jimmy is already hunting the coconut flesh until the pipa shell breaks. Yeah, broken. You see how you can get the coconut flesh out. If you use your thumb this way, you can literally roll out the flesh. Now, Jimmy, come here. Jimmy, Sophie, sit. My dogs like it a lot. Peacha. So everyone is kind of eating here. Super healthy, full of nutrition. And then just throw it in. So I just don't have specific measurements. Okay, now I'm going to see what happens when I'm going to use my kitchen machine. I'm going to turn it on. Oh, it's pre-mixed. It's pretty wet. We have to add some stuff. 2 eggs. Oh, and actually, don't throw these away. I'm going to show you soon what I made out of it in the next video. Saving these for later. Okay. Flour. Let's pre-mix this. Adding some almond flour. Just 4 spoons. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of this stuff. Use some salt. Use healthy salt. Okay. How is the texture? I need a little bit more of this. Okay. Yeah. This looks amazing. I cut myself picked papaya. Raisins. They're soaked up with water now. I'm going to turn on my oven now. Grabbing a bowl. There you go. The water out in the bowl. Oh yeah, I was cutting my papaya. Let's see how it looks on the inside. You never know with fresh fruits from your trees, which is not sprayed. Look how beautiful this small papaya. I'm going to use this. You know, there's nothing better than freshly picked fruits. The taste is unbelievable better compared to supermarket and, you know, sprayed veggies and fruits. There is such a difference in nutrition. What I love for almost everything, I'm almost obsessed, is raw honey. So I just decided to add some fresh lime juice, maple syrup. Prep these things with anti-sticky paper, fill them up. 3. About 200 degrees, 30 minutes. And it's delicious. I hope you like my video. Just follow for more. Big hugs from Costa Rica.